Dirty bad mind, mama do you so? Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
One life, yeah.
Yo, this is Tony Curtis, representative for Sikapure Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sikapure, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling, poof!
Say she love.
Johnny, I don't this more here. I don't this more here. More you be a big man with me right now.
Yes, sir.
You eat what?
P-U-S-S-Y. Or P-U-S-S-Y.
Anyone you want to pronounce that? Myself.
Decent.
Hey. The decent one.
Up to date.
Up to date one.
Oh. Nice.
So,
and sweet. Clean and
when me and you eat it,
So, when you do that, me make sure me have me garlic.
Boom. Come on, the man put in
What the garlic do? Ask him.
The garlic, I'm explaining to you.
You're talking to me. All right. What's your over there?
What the garlic do?
Stiffening tongue.
No, not that alone.
Where do?
The garlic is for the man say some of these girls carry a holder. So the garlic cut down on that like a flavor there.
But at that time, there's something there. Better than any female.
Medium is no order.
So you just eat straight.
Straight.
No, sir. Me can't take that.
Why?
Never leave that alone. Once me start and the order popped up, me not run.
No.
Hey, but Johnny, but you have to run your test.
Alright, Johnny, watch out. You know, so order there and you eat and it don't pop up.
Brethren, me can't manage that. That order, they
order don't come up and order there.
You know, your man saying no left in garlic, man.
That's how me like the clean stuff. Me love the clean stuff.
Johnny, watch out, Johnny.
Even if me know, even if me don't know.
Johnny, watch out.
I walk with the garlic in my mouth.
No, wait till you say no. Wait till you say no.
No, garlic can't help you in your mouth.
On a personal woman alone, and if you do that too. No, let's go like this. No random woman, brother.
Out the road,
good. You don't need to do that with your personal woman. You don't need to
Why you walk with garlic? Why you walk with garlic?
No, but hold on.
Why you walk with garlic?
Let me talk, man. Shut your mouth, man.
Yes. Personal woman.
When him tell you about the garlic, you know, he never say I'm personal woman, you know. He just say something randomly.
Yeah, but I'm
saying why would you
don't walk with garlic?
Why would I use garlic?
Listen to you. Why you don't eat with garlic? Why you don't eat with garlic?
He might talk about the garlic.
You don't eat.
Can you do it out the road, man?
No, I mean make love. Me make love.
You eat out the road. You eat out the road.
Me make love and not to my personal woman. You make love.
Out the road.
Me make love.
You eat pussy out the road.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, you eat pussy out the road.
Me make love to my personal woman.
That's why you know.
You don't.
Me make love to my personal woman.
Alright.
So do you eat? What you call eat?
Yes, sir.
Eat pull a cada potato eater. I don't tell you, hold on, no. I don't tell you, say, I never hear say nobody born out a butt yet. Everybody born out.
Yeah.
So there's no scorn for me.
Alright.
So you say once the vagina the clean and
Yeah,
smell good.
clean.
I love me make to that.
Rasta
love
man,
me make.
Rasta man.
All of that.
The man say I love him make.
Love me make.
Rasta man, watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now.
You see that you got a club and you buy the meat.
Why you gonna use garlic?
Doggy, different.
Love me make like a person. If you have your personal woman, if you have your personal woman, you eat your personal. You now use garlic.
No, man.
This man eat pussy outside.
You have some man. Hold on.
You eat outside.
Give me 2 minutes.
You eat outside.
You have some man, have some woman.
Yeah.
And them the woman, if me meet them, me nah eat to them something. And that me tell a guy right now.
Johnny,
me nah eat. Why, Johnny? Why
the garlic come in, Johnny? Why the garlic come in, Johnny? Why the garlic?
Garlic?
Yeah, why the garlic come
The
in?
garlic is like...
Johnny, if you eat your personal woman, don't need no girl.
No.
Why you take girl?
No.
Why you can't
Johnny, them eat outside.
Yeah.
Him got you with that, Johnny. Him got you with that. Because if you're a real personal woman, and you love girl.
But what I'm saying, me agree with that. But I'm saying, as for me, I'm not gonna go out there and eat some rare. No,
Johnny, I know that.
You tell me, you tell me, say, hold on, man. Hold on. Give me a talk. You tell me, say, pork is your favorite meal.
Yeah.
No, from my observation as a Jamaican, seeing, you say, you have a farmer, you have someone who kill them pork, you have corn pork, you have fresh pork, you have pork with touch. Some people like it that way when it almost touch and it have like a stinking in it to boil them soup. Everybody like them pork in different ways. Hold on, man, I don't talk. I am saying, if you are a pork eater, right, like the man is saying, and you know, say, your pork is freshly cooked, freshly baked. You don't need no garlic. So the man I say you must have eat out that door. That the man I say, brother.
Something don't right.
You eat garlic.
Something wrong with you. Okay, fine.
Rat meat, you love.
Johnny love the pork when it touch.
Yeah.
You like it touch.
Hold on. I say you love it. I say you love it. In a real life, forget about it. Wait, my friend. You are some people who love the touch meat.
All right.
Whether a pork or goat or beef.
How you like it? You like it touch?
It depends.
Hear him now.
All right. If you even touch, you can't smell the scent. Why you gonna use garlic?
Where the garlic?
Yeah, why the garlic?
Tell him what they cook the scent. What the man has said.
I forgot the scent.
This is the point in that. Even if it's your woman. See it, you're a woman enough. So you're supposed to use to your woman and you're supposed to adjust to your woman. So even if your woman, I'm not talking about any woman, even if your woman is a little touch that day, you still don't need for the use on garlic.
What the garlic about, man? What the garlic about?
Definitely.
Where you use garlic for?
I definitely is sent by using garlic for, you know. If you might eat rat meat, you know, if you use garlic for tender, nothing already, because rat meat, so it don't soft.
The garlic have to erase that.
So why you never use some Colgate? Why you never use some Colgate?
Colgate?
Yeah.
No, man, teach you something. Colgate weak.
Hold on, let me ask him a question. Don't you think it would be easier? Don't you think it would be easier? Seeing that your woman,
my woman can't have that order.
Say go eat all kind of straight.
Oh, I don't do that. Not like that. The garlic go for you and your friend.
No man, you
speak for yourself, man. You have to speak for yourself, man. Can you don't use garlic? You don't use garlic.
Cook when we are cook,
Yeah.
Rasta. Yeah, your friend.
Voilà, me and me lay situation. I'm going to back here.
Walk back for the back door. Are you friend them? Yeah.
My friend, she pretty, you know. She look good and shape good and she come from country and then chat bad. She and her family them come from a real deep country place, but then they can't live a town. So, like the brother talk bad, the sister talk bad. The mother not so bad, but the sister she also try incorporate twang in with her chat bad. So you know, she always put H with H, nothing go on. You know, she always pronounce some word and so we had to pick me down, you know. And then they look older than me, like them a teenager go up in them 15. Yeah, they maybe like 12 and 13 and they're older than me. Like, Plaza one Saturday and this handsome boy I look for her, you know. Well, I said, why? I think I look good in a chicken, you know. So the guy come over and I said, hi. like, hey, his. And they say, before she could have said her name, they are wrong. Amount of hate gone on. They say, you hear me start to laugh. Everybody start to laugh because they, like, hi. Hi, name is say, you know, where them British I come from. But I don't know that joke. I look better now. I look better. Him give me a joke no, but then check by then. So it's like, I real me I told my grandfather know this is a real story. So it's like, then grandmother live on foreign, you know. You know, then grandmother talk much and she twang it, and you know, she go on nice and, you know, and she like when people speak proper English and she say, come down now and steady with the mother and pick them in and pick them chat bad. Mama, we are go up now. We are go up now. Son, I can speak a little better. So the mother tried to put on it one, you know. Then my friend now, girl, and she did it and she have her age, them locking her. And, you know, she hand, everything. So, she knows somebody because she had tried. The brother know. And Mama, go up with Didi, you know. Then mother said, so this is the way you have these children speaking. The mother said, son, speak a little better, man. Speak a little better than that. I know you can do it. Mommy, I want to go here to Didi. Ali Granny said, what? Wait a sec. I need to go pin. Go Didi. Mister, I want to tell us that. I never did that. I want to say, I can't give you a joke. I want a mother can't give you a joke. I'm like, when you hear go pin, I want to Didi. But they are grown. I roll. But I have to know big.
No, and
that's a real life story. Just for some country. And when they are told, country comes to
which country they come from?
I have to disclose that. No, let me tell you which part they come from. They come from Old Harbour Bay. So if people know Old Harbour Bay, people them talk.
So Old Harbour talk so bad?
Old Harbour Bay. Old Harbour Bay, not Old Harbour.
Oh.
Like near to the seaside or a country part. They have a different accent. Yeah.
So you want to go up and go easy.
Yeah. But the grandmother frightened. Grandmother said, what? What did he say? Man, repeat it. Man said, I want to go pin to Didi. Love them, still my friend. I know we have friends. I know how to put it.
That was very hard, man. That's right.
Friends, young. They ain't got no foreign now, because they grandmother can't got no foreign. She can't twang like them now. Talk to them nice.
No, they must get twang.
No, man, they must speak twanging.
Because if they want twang so long, God know. That's right.
God. Just one of them things there.
One life.